Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another DataLemur question. This time it's a medium level question asked by Google, and it's related to odd and even measurements. So let's have a look at the question. They are saying assume you're given a table containing measurement values obtained from a Google sensor. Okay, and measurements are taken several times within a given day. Write a query to obtain the sum of odd numbered and even numbered measurements on a particular day in two different columns. Okay, so for example, I think this is like the sample data. We have measurement ID, and as you see on the same day, right, on I think this is probably 7th October 2022, I think. So we have like three measurements as you see, and then on 7th November we have two measurements. Okay, I'm just reading this as date, month, year in that format. Okay, so now we have if you see on this day we have three measurements, right? So what they are saying is basically the odd measurements should be considered separately, even measurements should be considered separately on that particular day. Okay, and obviously as you see there is a measurement ID. As far as I see it, I think first of all we should order them, right, like to see which was the first measurement on a day, second measurement on a day, and so on. So let's do select star from measurements as a first step. Okay, so we have this, right? And if you have a look at their output, like what they are showing is on this day, right, on this 7th October, odd sum is 2355, which is nothing but sum of 1109, which is the first measurement, and 1246, which is the third measurement. So sum of all the odd measurements. Okay, so now let's go back here and think how we can tackle this issue. Okay, so here our rank function will come in handy. Okay, so we can say rank, or I mean rank might have repetitions. Let's go with row number and check. Okay, so I'll say row number over, and obviously since there are multiple measurements on any given day, I want to partition by the day. Okay, so I think measurement time is a timestamp, so let's convert it into a date. Okay, and as I said, one more important thing to keep in mind is on each of those days we need to order by measurement ID, right? Only then we will know which was the first, which was the second, which was the third, and so on. So let me do order by measurement ID and give this a name, some row number or something. Okay, so let's run this and see what we get. And now we get row number, right? For like this day 7th October we have three measurements. For 7th November I think we have four measurements, and so on. Okay, and yeah, 7th December there are three measurements. So now what we have to do is, whenever the number is odd we have to sum the measurement value separately, when it is even we have to sum it separately. So for that what can we do? We can put this into our with clause. Let's say with data as, we'll give it a name. Okay, and now we need to as you see in the output, we need to group it at a measurement day level. So I can say select date of measurement time again, and give it a name as measurement day, first step. Okay, and then so how can, just think about it, how can we separate odd and even numbers? One easy way is to find the remainder when we divide by 2, right? So I can say, let me also select maybe let's first select star. I will show you how it works, and let me put case statement. Okay, so I can say case when row num, right, when the remainder is 0, then let's say 1, else 0. So when remainder is 0, this is even measurement, right? 0 as, let's say, even. Okay, just you have to say else. And same way, when we do the same thing for odd, what do we need to do? We can say not equal to, right? And this is odd. So when not equal to 0, we say it's 1. And let me say from data. Let's see what we get. So now if I scroll down, as you see here, so for example, row number 1, this is odd number, so even we get 0, odd we get 1. So this is even number, so it's even we get 1, odd we get 0, and so on. Okay, so now what they want us to do is we want to sum the measurement values, right, when it's odd or even. So to do that, what we can do simply is leverage the sum of case statement. Okay, so when row number %2 equal to 0, we know it's an even number. Then what I want to do is I want to sum the measurement value, right? So I can just substitute it. Okay, and in dash I can give, they want us to give a name even sum, so let me say even underscore sum. And for odd it's the same, so I can say sum of case when this, then I want to obviously sum the measurement value, else 0 and as odd sum. Okay, and I think they want odd sum to be the second column, so let me just copy that and put it here, right? So first we have odd sum, then we have even sum. Let me remove this. And obviously we want to group at a date level, so I can say date of measurement time as measurement day. From data, group by, yeah, basically this, right? We want to group by date. And I think in the end, if you see the output, they're also ordering by date. So let's say order by measurement day itself. Okay, so let's run this code and see what we get. Okay, says there's a syntax error, line 14. Let's see. So okay, I think I put an extra comma here, so let's remove that, and now let's run again. Measurement value. Okay, I think I made a error with the spelling. It's measurement, right, with the E. Let's run again and check. Okay, so we get odd sum 2355, even sum 1662. I think it's pretty similar to this. For 7th November, we get odd sum 2377, even sum 2480. Okay, so this is just a sample example they've given. So I think we are doing good. Let's submit and see. As you see, it has been accepted, right? It's pretty simple question. Like as you see, we got the expected output. So what we did was we just summed odd numbered row numbers for each day, like the measurement value separately, and same thing for even. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the question. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care.